How to connect 11 Labs to N8N. Step 1. Sign up for an 11 Labs account and then log in. Then, after that, generate your API key from the dashboard. After generating your API key in your N8N instance, create a new credential node. You can go here and then go to credentials and add credentials. And then choose HTTP request or REST API credential type, depending on your version. Then after that, step 3, fill in your 11 Labs API endpoint, such as this one. And then after that, paste in your API key in the authorization header, like this. And then step 4, create a new workflow in N8N. You can now add a trigger like webhook or schedule or manual. And then next, add an HTTP request node after that. And then this node sends JSON with fields like this to the 11 Labs TTS endpoint. And then after that, step 5 in that node, set the method to post. And then the content type to application slash JSON. And then configure the body with your text and voice parameters. Step 6. Run your workflow. The HTTP request node should respond with a link or a binary audio file like MP3 or WAV that capture that output node. Step 7. If you want to save or use the audio, add another node like write binary file or send file, linking to the output. Choose a file name, path, and encoding. Step 8. Test with different voices. Adjust the settings, speed or pitch, and chain it. Generate daily audio reports, automated narrations, alerts, read aloud, and etc. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.